stream. In our midlife crisis, we have taken some time out and we live in Delhi and we're going to Dharamshala. However, we found the cheapest way to go there is to catch Vande Bharat, which will go to Mandora, and then from there we'll catch a cab and go to McLeodganj, which is in Dharamshala. I think the ticket to this journey have costed us
1100 to
1200. So,
per ticket.
yeah, we all are in our
One side.
mid-40s, and we're still trying to act like as if we are in our 20s. So, anticipating that this trip is going to be a big refresher for us. So let's see. I will continue to show you what all I'll see during the journey. In case if I see anything good, I'll show it to you. For now, we have just started from Delhi. It will take another 5 hours to reach there. This is my good friend Parvez. I think we are the only two who's going to have fun. The other two, this guy have woken up. As you can imagine, he's ready to do it.
He is also ready for fun.
You can see that. चलो भाइयों बहनों, आगे मिलते हैं आपसे. अभी के लिए यही अपडेट था, but I just want to show you how it looks from the window. We're in for a beautiful ride, and we'll see you next as soon as I'll see something good. Take care, bye bye. So finally हमें वंदे भारत में चाय मिल चुकी है, and अभी हम चाय का मजा लेंगे और जर्नी का भी मजा लेंगे. दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको. भाइयों बहनों, सो हम आ चुके हैं अम्बाला कैंट.
चलो
और 1 मिनट के रुकिए और हम भाग रहे हैं. तो बहनों, सो इससे पहले स्टेशन था अम्बाला कैंट, इस पे रुकी थी ये. अब है ये चंडीगढ़. लुक्स लाइक अ प्रीटी डिसेंट रेलवे स्टेशन, बट ऐसा कुछ नई चीज़ नहीं है. अगर आप देखें तो ये मेरे मित्रगण हैं जिनके साथ मैं ठिट्टेबाजियाँ कर रहा हूँ. एंड दिस इज द ट्रेन एंड लुक्स लाइक अ ओके रेलवे स्टेशन. सो विल कैच अप इन अनदर टाइम. तो भाई बहनों, ये मेरी वंदे भारत दिल्ली टू मंडोरा की खिड़की से व्यू है. और मतलब इट्स ऑल ग्रीन and you can see as far as you can. No high rise, clean weather, and amazing view, amazing journey. And it's right now running at a speed of 100 and above. So amazing.
The journey is going amazing.
Perfect. Couldn't ask for anything better. तो भाई कैसी रही अभी तक की जर्नी हमारी? चंडीगढ़ से आगे बढ़ चुके हैं.
जर्नी बहुत अच्छी जा रही है अभी तक.
वंदे भारत बढ़िया लगी.
वंदे भारत ट्रेन बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत स्मूथ है,
कंफर्टेबल.
100 से ऊपर की स्पीड पे जा रही है, लेकिन पता नहीं चल रहा कि क्या स्पीड है. एकदम स्मूथ चल रही है.
स्मूथ चल रही है और मजा आ रहा है. वी हैविंग फन.
यस.
मतलब we've been in those trains, sleeper trains as well, but for some reason I'm having more fun here. You know, we all 4 are sitting in one row and बात कर रहे हैं. ये भाई अपना विमल है, मजे कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक अभी जो हमारा मेन पार्टनर है, ही इज गॉन आउट टू पूप. कुछ ज़्यादा ही मतलब ब्रेकफास्ट उसने हेल्दी, मतलब बढ़िया ब्रेकफास्ट मिला. नॉन वेज में आई गेस ऑमलेट था, ब्रेड बटर एंड मफिन. वेज में मैंने वेज लिया था.
2 चाय पी ली है. 2 चाय पीने की वजह से
मसाला टी
प्रेशर ज़्यादा बन गया. अब वो ढूंढता फिर रहा है कि कहाँ पर,
मतलब साफ जगह ढूंढ रहा है वो. बट
सब ऑक्यूपाइड है टॉयलेट. बेचारे को उसको कहीं पे भी जगह नहीं मिलती जहाँ पे वो जाके बैठ के हल्का हो सके.
परेशान घूम रहा है.
कूद
ही ना जाए यहाँ से.
इंडियन में उठ पे करी नहीं जाती.
बैठा तो उठ नहीं पाएगा.
वो वेस्टर्न ढूंढ रहा है.
घुटने चरमरा जाएंगे.
वेस्टर्न सब ऑक्यूपाइड है और यही हाल रहा अगर
तो लग रहा है कुछ
तो लगता है ये खेतों में उतर जाएगा.
बट जस्ट टू लेट यू नो दैट व्हाट where exactly are we going? Mandora is the station where we'll get off, and then from there we'll catch a cab and go to Dharamshala, and in Dharamshala we'll go to McLeodganj. Over there we booked a hotel named
Mastiff Select Mandavya, some long name like that.
Long name.
Mastiff Select Mandavya.
It's a 5-star hotel with beautiful views, and I have a feeling everything is nearby only from that hotel, right?
हाँ, it's a good location property. देखने में rooms वगैरह बहुत ही प्रीमियम लग रहे थे, और everything looks very classy. So let's hope that the hotel is as it looks in the pictures.
I think अब हम next आपको वहीं मिलेंगे सीधे. We'll see you at the hotel, and whatever we're thinking right now about the hotel, I hope it turns out to be the same. So see you there. Beautiful nazare, lush green fields. You can see as far as it goes. Beautiful life. I'm sure people living over here have a very peaceful and balanced life. Must be. I don't think so. There's any pollution here either. क्या नज़ारे, amazing. में हमें भाखड़ा नंगल डैम भी दिखा. यहाँ ट्रेन रुकी तो नहीं है. You can see. तो भाई जैसा बोला था कि अब हम ट्रेन से उतरकर कैब में आ चुके हैं. ये हमारे ड्राइवर भैया कैब में आ चुके हैं हम लोग, और अब हम अग्रसर हैं मकलॉडगंज की तरफ, जहाँ पर हमारा एक 5-स्टार होटल वेट कर रहा है. ठीक है. और भाइयों जैसा हमने सोचा था, गाड़ी में बैठते ही होने लगी मूसलाधार बारिश, और इसने ट्रिप का मजा दुगना कर दिया है. भाइयों ये मेरे 3 मस्केटियर्स. वी फाइनली अराइव्ड इन मकलॉडगंज. डरा दिया. So guys, we finally reached McLeodganj. Parvez here, Masoom and Vimal, and this is me. धीरे धीरे हम चल रहे हैं मॉल रोड की तरफ मैक्लॉडगंज की, और साथ में वादियों के नज़ारे लेते हुए. आप देखिए, रेनी सीजन, had couple of beers and some pakoras, and now walking to digest them in the beautiful lands of woods and hills. I'll see you in a bit. So, bhaiyo behno, just to let you know, we were going towards Mall Road, but unfortunately it was raining heavily, so we had to stop at a tuck shop, and we're having tea. But for some reason, we are all, remembering our old days and when we were young, how we used to go and run in the rain. It's raining, it's pouring badly. We're not able to survive even with our umbrellas. That's why as old men we had to take some shelter in a tuck shop. We're drinking tea, but we're gonna remember this day forever and ever. And I hope we have similar days more and more. Cheers. So भाइयों बहनों, हम आए हैं मैक्लॉडगंज की मॉल रोड की एक टिपिकल शॉप पे, जहाँ पर you can see the vibration picking it up. And Parvez is doing a wonderful job. This is the first time we are experiencing this, so thought of sharing it. So bhaiyo behno, as I told you that we will be going to our 5-star hotel to stay. It is at a beautiful location. I will just leave it for you to see and tell me how it is. But meanwhile, you could also see it in my background. Look at the way it's surrounded with mountains, and then obviously I'm sitting at a swimming pool, and just beautiful. नज़ारे इससे better हो नहीं सकते. I will be jumping in this pool very soon. Yeah, that's the name of the hotel. That's my friend trying to get a clear good pic. That's my another friend whose birthday today is, and we've got her butt naked. And look at the sceneries. I think there are more to it. Hey Bano, finally we are on Nandi Point. This happens to be a place where you get the best view from, and I believe you can see it as well. Amazing. I see mountains, green lush hills. And Parvez is trying to click picture of birthday boy. Slow mo. That's Dal Lake in McLeodganj. This is being renovated. Looks like they're gonna completely renovate it and then they'll come back to life. However, right now this is how it looks. So bhaiyo behno, this is another pit stop in our journey in McLeodganj. This is the famous tea garden. Lush green, blue skies, things can't get better, colors can't get clearer. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I want to show you. This is our second pit stop. Prior to this, we were at Nandi viewpoint, and I hope we are moving to the waterfall now. Thank you. ये है फेमस धर्मशाला क्रिकेट स्टेडियम के सामने एक रनिंग ट्रैक और सॉकर ग्राउंड है. Not a lot of people goes there, but I just wanted to make sure that you know that this is also available, and this is Dharamshala's cricket stadium. तो भाई बहनों, ये है आपका धर्मशाला cricket stadium, and we're entering it. It costs only 30 rupees to get an entry ticket, and I hope. Right now it looks like a normal stadium, but I hope once we get in, it has a different view to it. So मैं आपको इस जर्नी के थ्रू बताऊंगा कि that's a good thing to come here. तो भाइयों बहनों, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था, I will make sure that you'll see the ground. The ground happens to be a very small ground, but the view from the ground is mesmerizing to die for. Very small ground. In case if you come here and watch an IPL match, you'll be able to see the players up and close. तो भाई बहनों, ये है धर्मशाला क्रिकेट ग्राउंड का व्यू. It's a pretty small ground, but it has a great. तो भाई बहनों, ये है आपका धर्मशाला का क्रिकेट ग्राउंड. This is an overview. Looks like a very small ground. In case if you come here and watch an IPL match, unlike any other Delhi stadium or Bombay, over here it's very, very, very compact, and you'll be able to see players and matches much up and close. And obviously you can see the mountains, the mesmerizing view. Things can't get better than this. Amazing, authentic, orthodox, old school stadium, but has a great mesmerizing view to it. I'm leaving you with this view.
भाइयों, हम अभी भी स्टेडियम देख के आए हैं. We all had good fun. However, in between we remembered that Masoom, who's one of our really good friends, happens to have his birthday today, and he's treating us. And this is the first time he's making me drink beer from his money. Amazing. Happy birthday, brother.
Thank you.
ये हमारा परम प्रिय मित्र है विमल, और ये है परवेज एवरग्रीन इमरान हाशमी.
What more can you ask when you're driving? It looks like it's a road to heaven.
अमेरिका ने कहा 48 घंटे की मोहलत दी है, फिर 48 घंटे में तुमने सरेंडर नहीं किया, बहुत बड़ा हमला होता है.
भाइयों बहनों, आपकी इच्छा पूर्वक हम आ गए हैं at the top of McLeodganj. This probably is the best view I can show you. road to heaven. अच्छा, बहनों, अब हम आ चुके हैं माझी रिवर पे, विच इज इन McLeodganj. This is the river, and the best part is we also have a tuck shop here. You can enjoy Maggie and small snacks, and also enjoy the free flow of the river. Respect nature, and it will reward with beauty and life. Indeed. क्या व्यू है भाइयों बहनों, क्या व्यू है, मजेदार, लज्जतदार. Rain can fall at any time, but the weather is undeniably beautiful. Give you guys an up close view to the river. This is how it looks. This is where it flows from. The current is really speedy, and if you try and even dip your hand in it, you may flow away with it. But it's an amazing view. Look at the sun. Behind all the clouds, it looks gloomy but beautiful. There is a small tuck shop here, which looks even unimaginable, the kind of spot it's in. Amazing. बेहतरीन वादियाँ, बर्फीले पहाड़, lush green with the river. एक रिवर पॉइंट है, और क्या नाम है रिवर का? माची रिवर is the name of this river, and the river is flowing in between of these beautiful lush green mountains, and then in between of these mountains you will see a cool, snowy, covered in cloud mountains. Amazing. Things can't get better. I know I keep saying this, but in this case it's true. चल भाई
के लिए आए होते ना, तो आपको यहाँ पे भीड़ व्हीलिंग है, वहाँ लेके जाते. पालमपुर में 2-3 पॉइंट है.
एक्चुअली हमें पता नहीं था ये जगह ऐसी होगी, तो हमने सोचा बस वीकेंड के लिए आएंगे और चले जाएंगे फिर. तो भाई वो जैसे ये शाम ढल रही है, सनसेट हो रहा है और हमारी ट्रिप का भी एंड हो रहा है. You can see the sky is turning red and pink. तो भाइयों बहनों, कुदरत के नज़ारे का आप भी लुत्फ़ लीजिए और देखिए कैसे आपको गुलाबी आसमान के मजे लेने पड़ रहे हैं अभी मेरे द्वारा. Wonderful. This is all the magic of sunset. तो फाइनली हमारी ट्रिप खत्म हो रही है और हम फिर आ गए हैं, इफ यू कैन सी, अम्बनडोरा पे. ब्यूटीफुल रेलवे स्टेशन, bright skies and friends. The journey was good. However, there was a small hiccup. Unfortunately, on our last day, there was a strike, taxi strike, because of which we had to leave the hotel midnight and come to Amandora. Obviously, we came early morning. The train was at 12 and we were here at 5:30. And obviously, there was no place to go, so we had to find a very cheap hotel nearby our railway station. Costed us around 1200 rupees. 4 people lied down on bed. One of them is this guy, and then the 2 are those people. Imagine he's sleeping together with all of them. They all were farting, snoring. Bad, but I still had some sleep. However, now I have an enjoyable Now I have an enjoyable moment in peace where the train is ready to leave. We're waiting for the doors to open. And just to give you the glimpse of the railway station, beautiful bright sky as if it's approaching your face. Amazing. So this is the end. Thank you so much for watching the vlog and have a nice day. Our journey is almost about to get over. We are at Chandigarh. We are returning from Mandora, or should I say Dharamshala, to Delhi. And we all look tired. We look a little disturbed because our trip is getting over. All the fun is going to end.
But the trip has been a true Londa trip.
True Londa trip. Nothing can beat this trip. We've been to
Great content, great pranks.
great pranks, and you will see those pranks in this video. Those pranks are crazy, hilarious. You might have seen it somewhere, but the execution for these pranks have been crazy. You'll see it, but for now, we both, who are the actual decision makers in getting this trip executed, saying bye-bye, and this is the end of the trip. I might put one more video while we reach Delhi, just to show you the proper end. But for now, take care, thank you, like and subscribe. Bye-bye.